Well, here we are at the end of our driveway. As you see, I had to drive the car around and pull it out to get around the trees. So just going to try to do a quick walk around. Beginning of the tree line. See, there's our tire marks for moving the car out from the garage. And we've got trees that haven't completely fallen that need to come out. We haven't been to town yet, so we don't know how bad that is. I know that we've lost some internet here. Power's out in town. This particular tree looks like it might have been hit by lightning, and this is how close it is to the house. It's got the darkest bark of any tree out here, so all these trees, a lot of them are within range of the house. Nothing hit the house or the garage. We've got one behind the garage that missed the corner of the garage by just inches. This whole area right here, we just spent several days and several $100s cleaning up. Trees are leaning, gonna have to come out. A lot of sweeping and raking gonna happen.